Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hemanta, the social engineer. Today is World Ozone Day, so happy World Ozone Day to all my friends and students. It is said that ozone not just a layer but a protector. Save ozone, save earth. So today we are going to discuss details about why you are celebrating Ozone Day. What is the history and significance of these celebrations of Ozone Day, and why we should protect the ozone layer, and what are the reasons behind the depletions of ozone layer. Then at last we are going to discuss about the preservation measures, steps that to be taken for protections of the ozone layers. So let's discuss. So ozone day celebrated on September 16 of each year as World Ozone Day, also known as the International Day for Preservation of the Ozone Layer. World Ozone Day is celebrated to draw attention to one of the biggest threats that humanity faces, the depletions of the ozone layer and the dangers of ozone depletion. The purpose of the day is to raise awareness about the importance of the ozone layer. Then, what is ozone layer? According to the United Nations, the ozone layer, a fragile shield of gas, protects the earth from the harmful portions of the rays of the sun, thus helping preserve life on the planet. And you also call it is O3, and it is fleecy smell. So next, history of the ozone day. In 1994, the United Nations General Assembly proclaimed UNGA proclaimed 16 September the International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer, commemorating the date of the signing in 1987 of the Montreal Protocol on Substances that deplete the ozone layer, Resolution 1949 by 114, that is popularly known as Montreal Protocol, that is called Preservation of the Ozone Layer, commemorating the date of signing. Next, Ozone Day theme for the year 2022. This 2022 marks the 35th year of the implementations of the Montreal Protocol. United Nations is observing the Ozone Day with the theme Montreal Protocol at the rate 35, and the evaluate collaborations safeguarding life on Earth is the topic for this year's World Ozone Day. World Ozone Day significance. UN observes International Day for the preservation of the ozone layer, or the Ozone Day on September 16 of each year, to educate the public on the reasons for ozone layer depletions, the harmful effects of ozone layer depletion, to mobilize political will and resources to address the issue and protect the planet. So political mobilization now play a very vital role for the protections of the ozone layer. Sensitizations, awareness of the people can also check this depletion of ozone layer. Then what are the causes of the ozone layer depletions, so that we can take the preservation measures. Let's discuss cause of the ozone layer. According to UN, there are number of commonly used chemicals have been found to be extremely damaging to the ozone layer. Halocarbons chemical, carbon linked with halogens, fluorines, chlorines, bromine, etc. Especially those contaminating bromine have high ozone depleting potentials. Next, that is methyl bromide, methyl chloroforms, carbons, tetrachloride, and families of chemicals known as halones, chlorofluorocarbon, that is popularly called as CFC, and hydrochlorofluorocarbon, that is SCFC, also cause the depletions of the ozone layers. Then, how can we protect the ozone layer? What step can we take for the preservation or protection of the ozone layer? First one, avoid the consumption of gases dangerous to the ozone layer, that is due to the content or the manufacturing process. Some of the most dangerous gases are CFC, halogenated hydrocarbons, methyl bromide, and nitrous oxide. Then minimize the use of cars. The best transport option is urban bicycle or walking. If you use a car to a destination. Try to carpool with others to decrease the use of cars in order to pollute less and safe. Government also taking steps to use electric vehicles to minimize the pollutions as well as minimize the depletion of ozone layers. Then don't use cleaning products that are harmful to the environment and to use. Many cleaning products contain solvents and substances corrosives, but you can replace these dangerous substances with non-toxic products such as vinegar and bicarbonate. Buy local products. In this way, you not only fresh products but you avoid consuming food that have traveled long distances. As the more distance travel, the more nitrous oxide is produced due to the medium used to transport that product. Maintain air conditioners. So, as their malfunction cause CFC to escape into the atmospheres. So, these are the steps that you can take for preservations or protections of the ozone layers. Then let's continue working for our planet. World Ozone Day. Ozone not just a layer but a protector. Thank you. Have a nice day.